A bricklayer has started a small business on the side building mailboxes. The bricklayer wants to standardize his billing and charge a flat rate of $500 per mailbox. Each mailbox costs him approximately $200 in materials and takes about 4 hours to complete. What is the bricklayer's hourly wage? First, let's create the equation that represents the situation. The bricklayer's total revenue for the project is equal to his materials cost plus his wage times the number of hours he works. Since we know the values for revenue, materials, and hours worked, those can be substituted into the equation. Next, let's identify the variable we'd like to isolate. In this case, we want to know the hourly wage, W. To isolate the variable W, first subtract $200 from both sides and then combine like terms. On the left side of the equation, $500 minus $200 is $300. On the right side, $200 minus $200 cancels out to 0, leaving an equation of $300 equals 4 times W. To further isolate W, we must divide both sides of the equation by 4. This will yield $75 on the left side of the equation, and on the right side, the 4's cancel out to leave us with the single variable W. Therefore, the hourly wage of the bricklayer, W, is equal to $75.